Namaste students, myself JVN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 5th semester. We will discuss the topic nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle. Introduction to basic type of biogeochemical cycles. Firstly, gaseous cycles. Secondly, sedimentary cycles. Gaseous cycles are carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, and oxygen cycle. Nitrogen is converted between its various chemical forms through following steps: nitrogen fixation, ammonic fixation, nitrification, denitrification, and assimilations. Contents about 78% present in nature. Essential constituents of plants and animals, and plants take up nitrogen either as nitrates or ammonia. Due to thunderstorm and lightning, the gaseous nitrogen is converted into nitric acid. Okay. Process of nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen present in variety of forms: organic nitrogens, nitrous oxide, or inorganic nitrogen gas. Okay. Next, process of the nitrogen cycle transforms nitrogen from one form to another. The major reservoirs of nitrogen atmosphere. Various steps involved in this cycle. Nitrogen fixation. Firstly, nitrogen fixation. Atmospheric free nitrogen as ammonia. Nitrogen fixations are of two types. First, non-biological fixation. Second, biological fixation. Non-biological fixation of nitrogen. The physical process. Highly energy fixations. These processes are divided into some processes. First, natural process. Second, man-made processes. First, natural processes, that is photochemical process fixations, and second, man-made processes, that is industrial fixation. Firstly, photochemical fixation or natural process. Dissociation of nitrogen molecules and its combination with oxygen and hydrogen of water provided by lighting. The high energy is required. It is provided by cosmic radiations and meteorites trails. Second one, industrial fixation or man-made process. Fertilizers in various industries, and most chemical fertilizers are nitrates or ammonia, and for agriculture fields to yield crop to increase soil fertility. Second fixation, biological fixation. Biological fixation carried out by certain bacterial cyanobacteria and few fungi. Nitrogen is fixed in the form of ammonia. Ammonium salts are nitrates. Nitrogen fixation organisms are called diazotropes. This process is two types. First, symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Second, non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Firstly, symbiotic nitrogen fixation carried out by microorganisms. Symbiotic nitrogen fixation. Rhizobium that lives in the root nodules of leguminous plants. Second, non-symbiotic nitrogen fixation carried out by microorganisms living free in the soil. Example is bacteria, Bacillus, Clostridiums, Pastriniums, aerobic forms azotobacters, blue-green algae, cyanobacteria, nostocs, and anabina. Ammonification. Ammonification, organic matters converted to ammonia. Heterotrophic bacteria, actinomycetes, and fungi, and organic nitrogens in organic form as ammonia, energy releasing reactions. Okay, nitrifications. Nitrifications involved ammonia or ammonium salts, nitrites, and nitrates. This process is called nitrification. Ammonia cannot be utilized directly. Denitrification. Bacteria and fungi converted nitrates, nitrites, and nitrous oxides. Denitrification, conversion of nitrates to gaseous nitrogen gas, occurs in oxygen depleted water, logged soils. Common denitrifying bacteria Pseudomonas and Thiobacillus. Seen these reactions, nitrates change into nitrites, nitrites change into nitrous oxide, and nitrous oxide change into nitric oxide, and nitric oxides change into nitrogen gas. Assimilations principles. Source of nitrogen for plants, nitrate ions and water. Nitrate assimilations absorb nitrates for the synthesis of proteins. Conclusions. Nitrogen is an important component. This conversion is a cyclic process, and the process of nitrogen cycle transforms nitrogen from one form to another. Nitrogen cycle seen these plates and completes nitrogen cycle. Atmospheric nitrogen and nitrogen fixation by free livings and symbiotic microbes. Soil ammonia and Nitromonas bacteria, soil nitrates, and Nitrococcus, soil nitrites, soil nitrate converted, and denitrification by Pseudomonas. And seen these plates. These are nitrogen cycle charts, and seen these plates. Decomposers, plants, assimilations, denitrification, nitrifying bacteria, nitrifications, all over process is assembling this chart of nitrogen fixation. Okay, thank you students.